Okay, we went to Costco tonight as a family, so the three of us went. We got a lot of stuff. We spent $210, so I'm going to run down everything that we've gotten. So here we got some stir-fried frozen vegetables, some pierogies. So in this haul is stuff my husband will actually make for himself. Ooh, watch my hand, sorry about that. Make for himself and cook for lunches because he just won't eat unless I cook for him. We got some organic salsa, some avocados, one of these already cooked chickens because they're a great deal. They're only $4.99. Some milk, romaine lettuce. That's tonight's dinner. I made pulled pork. It's a mango pulled pork. Some black beans. We needed toilet paper, and this toilet paper is actually pretty good for not being super thick because we have some plumbing issues. We don't have septic, but we have old pipes that roots grow into, so we need thinner toilet paper. Here is some cereal. This was actually on sale. Eggs. I actually priced these out. These are cheaper than going to ShopRite. So ShopRite had eggs on sale for $1.88 per dozen, and these actually come out to $1.71 per dozen, so they are cheaper. Some already cooked chicken strips that my husband will hopefully eat for lunch, as well as some spinach mozzarella ravioli. These are some veggie burgers for me and my daughter. Peppers. Some chicken strips for my daughter. I don't like giving her chicken nuggets, but usually I get the chicken breasts, but they didn't have them, so this is better than nothing. Some Brussels sprouts, some natural peanut butter that we're trying for the first time. Hopefully it's good. We eat a lot of peanut butter here. Tomatoes, dish soap, bananas as usual, some turkey burgers that hopefully my husband will cook for himself, lemons, some sparkling water, honey bunches of oats, which are also on sale, sandwich thins for my husband's turkey burgers, some bread that we're trying for the first time because I usually make our bread, but I'm tired of making bread, and some tortilla chips. So this is everything we got, which is quite a lot for $210. I don't know if I mentioned black beans, but we got black beans also. And that is the haul.